Aloha! Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to prepare Taro potato salad. Make the dressing by combining the mayonnaise, yogurt, apple cider vinegar, and agave in a large mixing bowl, then season with garlic salt and a lot of black pepper. Add in the taro, red onion, celery, radish, and bell pepper and toss to coat the ingredients with the dressing. If using another dish to serve, pour salad into the serving dish and sprinkle with the green onion for a splash of color. You can enjoy it immediately or chill in the refrigerator prior to serving. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.